afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to Experiments with Dr. H. Today, our experiment is going to be all about one of our most important systems in our body. Can you guess which one? If you said skeletal, you are not correct, but that's a great one. If you said muscular, also not correct, but that's another good one. The one that we are talking about today, the human body system that is the largest organ in our body, is our skin. Did you know that your skin is one of the most helpful parts of your entire body? Your skin keeps you from getting hurt. It keeps your body safe all the time. To prove how safe your skin keeps your body, we're going to do a little experiment. This experiment, you will need a fruit, the orange, or any fruit that has a skin on the outside that you don't eat, like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, anything with a thick skin like this. Now, just like our human bodies, this orange has a skin that protects all the way around it. Let's take a look at this orange. This orange has been cut apart a little bit. Some of its skin is still intact. Some of it is not. Check it out. That's the inside of the orange. But look at this. This is the inner layer of skin. Do you know that under our skin here, we've got another layer? But you don't want to get rid of your big layer because look how thin that skin is. I could easily cut through this orange without this thick skin on it. But just to see, here's our experiment. I've got one orange with the skin fully intact. I've got one orange with some skin, some underlayer of skin, and some completely exposed orange flesh. I also have another orange for my snack later. But I also have a bag of dirt. Now, just imagine your hand was missing a layer of skin. First of all, that would hurt. But what if you put that layer, that hand, into a bag and left it in the bag for several days? What would happen to your body without the skin to protect it from the dirt? We're gonna find out, Buccaneers. Now, in this bag, I'm going to first place the orange that's completely intact. He has all of his protective skin on him, and we're gonna bury him really good in this dirt. Completely cover him. And I might even add some more dirt when I'm finished. Next, I'm also going to put my orange with skin exposure in the bag. And we're gonna mix it into all the dirt. Now I'm gonna seal this bag. Give it a little shake. Oh. And now, this is where both of the oranges are going to stay for the next 2 days. Oh, is the camera rolling? Well, I was just trying out something. Well, scientists, welcome back to Experiments with Dr. H. Last time we were together, we put an orange with the peel completely intact into a bag of dirt, filthy dirt. We also put an orange with the skin partially taken off into the bag. Remember, that was supposed to represent our human skin, the largest organ on our entire body. And it keeps us safe. Now we want to find out how the skin of the orange keeps the orange safe, and that might remind us of our own skin. So, I've got the bag. Both oranges have been sitting in this bag for 3 days. Put on my science inspection glove. These gloves get harder and harder to put on the older I get. There we go. All right, now. First, let's take out the orange that has all of its skin. There we go. Completely intact. We could rinse this off. We could cut the skin and we could eat this orange. Just like the skin of this orange kept it safe, our skin keeps our body safe. So I'm going to put this over here to rinse off and have a snack later. Now, let's get the other orange, the one that we peeled the skin off and left it exposed. Okay, let's see. Oh dear. Well, would anyone like a snack? Not me. Let me bang off a little of this dirt. It's got dirt all on the inside of it. It's got dirt poking out of its creases. It's gotten under the skin in this area. This orange is going to have to be thrown out. And hold on. Well, you can't smell that, but the smell smells like a rotten orange. We don't want to have that orange. And that's just an example of what our bodies would be like if we did not have skin. So, let's tell our skin thank you, because it keeps our bodies so safe, and it is such an amazing organ. For now, it's Dr. H out, and have a great science day, friends.